Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by signing into the exact Google account that controls the business listing. Once signed in, open Google Maps or the Business Profile Manager and search your business name. Click the listing to access the profile editor. Make sure you have manager or owner rights before editing. Without them, you'll be blocked. Keep the phone number ready with country code and have any verification devices nearby, because you'll need to confirm ownership later. Now you edit the contact section. Click Edit Profile or the pencil, then find Contact Information and the phone field. Enter the new number using an international format like +1 followed by digits so Google parses it correctly. Once entered, click Save. Google often queues changes for review or asks you to verify the number. Make sure notifications are enabled on your account so you see any verification step immediately, and confirm any SMS or call prompts if they appear. Finish by completing verification. Accept SMS or phone call, request a postcard, or follow the emailed instructions depending on the option shown. After verification, changes can take from 24 to 72 hours to appear publicly while Google reviews them. If the number doesn't update, make sure you cleared cache and cookies. Try editing from a different manager account or device and recheck verification status. If problems persist, contact Google Business Support for a manual review and provide proof of the correct number.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.